Wow, do I have an unusual radio to show you? Let me turn the volume down here so you can hear me. This is another radio from Jeff's collection. It's the Sangean model H201. It's a waterproof radio, and this is one of the original ones, so it only has AM and FM. The newer ones, when you get one of these brand new off of Amazon, about $73, and it has weather band added now. Very, very unusual radio. It's about 1990, 2010 vintage. Jeff got this off of the eBay, got it for $30, and it is got some really strange things about it, which I'm going to try to show you. Okay, here are the buttons. There's no knobs. So here are 5 memory buttons, so you can set preset stations. Here's volume up and down. Here is tuning up and down, and here's band select. This is the power button. It has a sleep timer function and a timer function. Over here, we have a tiny little light, not very bright. There it is, not very bright. And then this button up here is for a siren, which I'm not going to enable. It does have these little bars here on both sides for what looks like a carrying strap, but they don't include a carrying strap. Even on the new models, it didn't show any carrying strap. Now, one of the crazy things about talking about carrying is this right here. I thought this was the FM antenna. Nope, it's not the FM antenna. So you push down here, this rotates, clicks in 2 positions, and makes a carrying handle. Weird. That is so weird. And you can put it back down. There are also slots here for mounting it on a wall. In the videos on Amazon, they show it as a shower radio because it is weatherproof. Unfortunately, this one is not weatherproof any longer, and I'll show you why. Down here is the battery compartment, which has a latch, and then it folds up. 2 D-cell batteries. Here's another weird thing. See those wires? That's the FM antenna. It's about a 3-foot wire antenna. And there's a little slot here so you could pull the antenna out and then close the cover. And it's still waterproof. So I'm not going to extend that because it's kind of cumbersome. But the FM reception will depend on that being extended. Over here is the power connector, and this is the problem. This originally had a plastic or rubber thing that folded over and went in that hole and sealed it so water couldn't get in. That's gone. It's broke off. You can see the remainder piece right there. It's broke off. So it's no longer waterproof. You could find a rubber little stopper and put it in there, and then it would be waterproof again. Very exceptionally heavy. Even before I put the batteries in, it was heavy. Okay, that's the AC adapter. Now, we can turn it on. There's the nice big display. It does have a backlight showing it's 9:20 this morning, and we can turn it on. I guess I got to push and hold. Are we going to come on? There we go. Oh, I just turned it off. Okay, we'll turn it back on. All right. There we go. We finally got it on. That's my problem. It does show the battery condition. I just put new batteries in there. And it's on the AM. And this is, and quite a few radios do this, not unusual to this radio. after they've been on for a few seconds, they will resort back to the time, to the clock. That's fine. Okay. But when you push tune, of course, it will show you the frequency. And we're on FM. Probably won't receive much, like I say, because I don't have that wire antenna extended. Here's a volume going up. Let me, okay, we had something there. There's music, though. We can't listen to music. Oh, there was somebody talking. Spanish. Very good audio. And like I said, the reason it's not receiving FM very well because I don't have that wire antenna extended. No telescopic antenna. That's another weird thing about this radio. Let's go to the other band, AM. Okay, this says AM, but that's AM time. It's a little confusing. Okay, there's AM. Let's see if we can find anything. It does have search. That's good. Doing a good job. See if it's directional. Not really. So you have to manually store any frequencies that you want to keep. So it does not have tuning and storing, but it does have search, which it just finds the next strongest signal and stops. And that happens to be noise.
Joey Hudson this morning in South Carolina told me
doing pretty good on AM because it doesn't need the external antenna for AM.
It's rich, it's cozy.
Pretty cool.
Flavor for some fall frosty time. Everyone will see it and jump on the bandwagon.
It doesn't show up on my camera, but this is kind of yellowed, probably from smoke. Because if you look online, this is pure white, and it's showing up on my camera as pure white, but it's not. Pretty cool radio. I just wish it wasn't so expensive. But Sangean, you know, they're a quality brand, and with these weird, unique features, that probably drives the price up. And the new one at $73 has the weather band, and I think it has weather alert. Oh, and they also have a different model number. This is to 201. I think they have a 202 and a 203, and they have Bluetooth capability. So that drives the price up. Pretty nice. Thank Jeff for loaning me these radios to show you. Oh, and I noticed a couple of days ago, my subscriber number is up to 16,000. We finally passed 16,000 subscribers. Wow, that blows me away. And if you haven't subscribed, it'd probably be a good time to subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Maybe someday we can maybe someday we can learn how to talk. Maybe someday we can make 20,000. 20,000. We got to go 4,000 more. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.